So this is just to show how much you can pack inside of a fridge. We're just taking out everything now and we're doing some stuff. We've still got some eggs in there. Might as well just take it out.
Let's get some moisturizer under here.
Moisturizer, okay.
Some water there.
Yeah. Yeah, and so we're gonna fill it up afterwards and show you guys how much you can really put into it. So we'll just put
We're gonna put some food.
of that stuff. We've got some food here, beautiful food.
Go.
Gosler mate,
Oh, that is nice.
beautiful.
Okay, this takes.
Got some mayonnaise. We've got some coconut water,
There's like big bottle of.
chocolate milk.
Yeah, I mean like the big bottle of things. Space.
Yeah.
Takes a lot.
We've got some mayo, chili mayo.
We have a lot of different.
Oh, look at those! That lightning over there. Cheese. We've got
Another
different
cheese.
cheeses there: feta cheese, cheddar cheese, parmesan cheese, eggs.
Here,
Got tomato sauce,
some sour cream.
sour cream,
We have some tofu.
tofu.
We have some tofu. We have some. Okay, well.
We've got this cheese as well.
Big cheese here.
Yeah.
If I can fit on the. Yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
That's it.
Now it does take a little bit of finessing, but once you get to know your fridge, you start using it a lot,
Yeah,
it
you
actually
start-
becomes very easy, and
For
you
me,
start to know where everything is.
I can't complain. It's
So we've got
easy.
2 tomatoes, some broccoli.
We put like half
We
capsicum
might put that in a bag.
back in this one as
Yeah.
well. Yeah.
So we've got some leftovers.
We're gonna put this.
We're gonna
one in
put
the
this into bags.
What here? We'll open that.
But yeah, so
We
we've got
still
some
have a lot of space
shiitake
here.
mushrooms,
Some
butter, which is in some
the
wax paper wrap.
wax paper.
Really good stuff. We've got lettuce. I think we're going to chop that up and put it into bags.
We're gonna. I like.
Oh, okay.
This is okay.
Okay.
This is much better for now.
Yeah. We've got a big
Because
zucchini.
once we
Not
chop,
zucchini,
we
cucumber.
have to eat faster. You know, we need
Yeah,
to
yeah.
finish it up.
I think this one though, we
This
should.
one, yeah, we're gonna
we should do that one.
Process.
And then we've got the bread as well. You reckon that's going to fit?
Yeah, it will fit. Like I mean,
Maybe that way.
yeah, that's
Yeah,
right.
that way. So you got to just play Tetris.
Yeah.
And
we
so
still have some space.
we've still got some space on the
here
top.
to put this thing
To put
as
the
well.
yep. And we're pretty much there. So we'll cut back to once this is fully packed.
Yeah, so after all that stuff, we have just these capsicums, and that's a huge serving.
That's
You
a
just
huge
put it in the
serving,
bag,
yeah.
And
Wow.
I mean,
And I mean, like, yeah, it's going to take a little while to get used to like pulling everything out, but being able to put in this amount of food is just amazing.
that's it.
It's awesome. Yeah. So there you go, guys.
That's it.
Even for a home, you can use these fridges. It's great. It's awesome. For camping, even better.
It's even better.
Even better.
Yeah.